What if you accidentally archive Instagram story before 24 hours? So here's how you unarchive it back in 2025. So first things first is of course run your Instagram application and make sure that you logged into your account. Now at the top right portion of your screen there is a three lines or what do they so called the hamburger. Hit on that and then scroll down. Under how you use Instagram, you should be able to see archive. And then this is where all your accidental archive post will be visible. So say for example, you would like to unarchive it back or repost it back. The only method that you can use is just to reshare that certain post. To do so, hit on that post, and then at the lower right portion of your screen, you should be able to see three dots. Hit on that, and then just simply hit on share. Now you can just manually or customize this post to unarchive it back. And that is how you unarchived an Instagram story back before 24 hours.